Lao Sound มากว่าเพียงเราก็มีสไตล์แฮปปี้ก็ได้มอง
Come on, guy, Jordan. Come on. Get yourself. This is our communal food.
It's amazing. You want another plate?
Crazy.
พอกินเมื่อได้พอแล้วครับ I'm good.
Water.
Not now.
No.
Water for now.
ขั้นนั้นเม็ดบ่พอ
Come on, Matt.
ซิมนั่นเสี่ยวกับเฮ็ดแม่เฮาทำให้ from the trash
I'm not gonna take the trash out.
oh, okay
Come on, Matt.
Coming.
You gotta try my Lao Sound beef.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, the beef jerky.
It's jerky.
Special ingredient.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
What's the special ingredient?
It's got honey, white pepper, MSG a little bit, salt, and then some really, really good fish sauce from Vietnam.
Is it right here, right?
Yeah, try it.
That looks good. Thank
You're welcome.
มันก็เอาแช่มันเลยน้ำมันค่ะเจ้ามันเสร็จเลย
What about this, Kim?
salty
Yeah,
what is
my
beef jerky เหรอ
Nước rửa mộtตัว Chảo mộtตัว
probably. I'll have Matt try it.
you. All right.
Thank you.
First bite.
You guys want to move that over there?
ยืดเอาได้
Ah, it was good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah,
You gotta eat it with sticky rice.
absolutely.
You guys want to move something down there so they can grab?
ไปตัวใด
ไม่วะ
what is
Wow. This beef jerky.
เค็ม
แม่นวะ
Yeah. Salty but good.
กินกับข้าวเอาเด้อ
Dad, is this your first time with your beef jerky?
อ๋อ no มือนัก
เราบริการเราสิใส่ปั๊บแล้วก็ใส่วีโอพร้อมเด้
Oh wait, you can eat it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
โอ้ no no no
Can't eat raw. Can you eat like ripe papaya?
Yeah, I think so.
Fruit papaya, but not right.
Yeah.
This is duck.
Yeah.
You guys love duck.
ถ้าเทมมาดีเทมของเจ้า
I don't know why.
Did you make all of them?
I make
I may have.
Can you like wash it? Or no?
I did.
No, I mean like, can you wash this a little
You know
bit?
what? Maybe it's the
อย่าเพิ่ม
ตีโตกระดาษที่
food. I mean, I bought the meat that's already.
แม่มีเขา
They put some salt in it already, maybe.
You want the mayonnaise already?
มัน
Probably.
มีอันนั้นนะลูกมันมีอันน่ะมีอย่างนั้น
Oh, the mayonnaise
Did it
already.
have it already?
I think so เขามาแล้วเขาเบรกเลยมันเอา
Yeah, you
no
know what?
wonder
If you want to make Dad feel better, it's fine.
Yeah, the mayonnaise.
no มันมีเราซื้ออันตัวนั้นน่ะ
Oh, it was corned beef. That's what
Yeah.
it was.
Yeah.
You got, I saw that.
Yeah, the mayonnaise already.
That's messed up though
Then he add some.
I'll make another one. I'll make another one next week. Redeem myself.
You gotta do it at least twice, you know? Second one's always better.
เพิ่นไปซื้อ
Just
ตัว
like
นั้น
this rib.
Just kidding.
Oh, I think it's that they already put salt in it, man.
เขาเอามาแล้วเขาเบรกเลยนะเท่า
Yeah, corned beef เขาเห็นใส่เกลือหลาย
โอ้ยเท่าจะพอเนาะ
corned beef they put a lot of salt in it already.
ไม่เมื่อสิบ่ได้เอาชิ้นแห้งผมมาเซ่ไหมวะ
This is my first time having corned beef. I've never had it before.
Well,
ไปแซ่มันจะออกอยู่เนาะ
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, then we do it.
แซ่น้ำนะอ่ะ eat this
Eat that. Okay.
ตัวนั่นแหละ the
It's
best part
it's fish poop.
no not
Fish
food
too.
Oh.
มันลูก
It's the buttery, the buttery stomach.
This papaya salad is good.
มันมีกระเพาะจะนี่
This is how I like it because I don't like it too spicy.
พี่จ้าว่าบ่มีบอกเผ็ดว่าสั่นเขาใส่4หน่วย
It doesn't taste like any pepper.
พอจะเรากินเผ็ดบ่ได้จังไง
There's only 16 ounces. And no calories.
เพิ่นเป็นคือสิ้นเพราะว่าคือสิ้นมาคับไปปล่อยได้หั่นเถอะบ่ฮู้ว่าเขาใส่เกลือเนาะ
I'm still eating it. It's still kind of good.
The jerky? Yeah, I don't go
You
too.
must love salty.
Just don't eat too much at one time. Kind of like blend in with the rice, you know what I mean?
yeah
So you can kill the salt a little bit.
เฉพาะเขามีอันนั้นอันแพ็กอันน้อยๆนะจ้าแพ็กนะว่า a small pack in the meat thingy นะ
In the store?
no in the bag last night for the beef
What was it?
like a
Herbs?
To add on.
maybe they just mark everything already like put herb in there that's it
Yeah, maybe.
oh my goodness this is
Stop
bad.
being mean to Dad.
Me too I do the raw one I didn't even know they have
I'm going to get a brisket next time and make it,
the real one
you know, like the one that is not mixed with nothing. Like just straight out meat, beef, so I can just mix it myself.
I love the texture.
Yeah?
yeah,
Yeah, real good.
So, growing up, this was like something I'd always eat. It was beef jerky with sticky rice. Sometimes with
yeah blend
sometimes with Joe McLean. Like spicy tomato and
Sauce.
sauce. Yeah.
The ribs you made last night were really good.
Matt loved the ribs.
Mm-hmm.
First time I had those.
yeah I saute it but I make that so
She marinated it for me.
I love that.
Yeah, because Matt was like, I don't like, I'm not a big rib guy. But he's so used to the American ribs, you know?
Well,
Like that
but
barbecue.
the way we marinate is different.
What do you put in there?
Oyster sauce, sugar,
you wanna
Finger sauce.
tea, a little bit of fish sauce,
yeah no fish up
salt, pepper. I don't know if they put pepper.
น้ำมันหอยนะ
Oyster sauce.
ได้หนึ่ง
If you haven't noticed, I put oyster sauce on it.
Well, you plan on leaving at 5? After this, I gotta run some errands a little bit. I'll be back at 5 with a 12-pack of Heineken. Me and Matt's gonna drink with you.
Lovely. Let's do it.
Matt was so upset. He went to Scottsdale, Arizona,
Oh.
and he didn't get to golf.
Really?
oh
It's kind of a bummer.
That's the place for golfer, right? They should have some killer courses
Yeah, but
over
it's too
there.
hot.
One of the best areas to go.
Yeah, but the temperature is too hot.
No. My the best or the groom, the guy who the bachelor party was for, they played yesterday. I had to leave beforehand. He was this close to a hole in one. It's like 3 inches away.
Wow.
1.5.
What part of Arizona you went to?
Scottsdale.
Oh, yeah. I was there for a couple months doing a job over there. Long time ago, back in 90.
It's
เลือดซอสที่ต้องการ
it's probably changed. I would guess since the 90s. Everything there is brand new. There's so much money. All the
Oh,
homes
yeah.
are multi.
I mean, when I was there, they started to develop this and that, start build, you know, that. I'm pretty sure they changed a lot.
Maybe some duck.
Yes.
Scottsdale, there's a lot of money in Scottsdale.
Oh, so much. Little fatty piece. Yeah. Not that
No,
fatty.
that's like the neck.
Probably different.
It's okay, whatever. And then just put a little bit of the sauce on it.
That's tasty like
Please.
that.
Oh, I don't really want the leg.
we have another one
บางคำเข้าค่อย
I'm not
look
even...
over there one bite
Nuh-uh.
for the video
Mukbang.
มักแบงลาวมักแบงนี่ไม่ have to make the noise too make
I'll watch it when I'm 80 years old if I live that long.
You watch it what?
I'll watch all the videos I make
when he get old
when I'm 80,
when he 80
if I get to live that long.
Next year?
I don't know how long we can live.
ทั้งมาโน่น
Hundred.
จำบ่
What else do you want, baby? I have.
พอละพอ that's good
Get eggs.
I got eggs, yeah.
กินคำหนึ่งพอละ
RX bars.
You don't get our eggs.
We don't.
Do we?
ข้างในก็ยังบอกเค็มๆมัน They're pre-mix with salt already man
you don't know มันเขาปรุงเครื่องย่าง
ถ้ามัน
ดีเล
ตัวย เขาห่อใส่อันนั้นเนี่ยมันมีแพ็กเกจนะอันนี้มันแปลว่า
แม่ละมีเนื้อน้อย
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ที่เซฟอันนั้นไว้อีกแล้วนะบ่ได้หูเพิ่นคือว่า
แล้ว
มัน
ตอน
ซีน
นั้นมันซื่อๆตัวในแพ็กเกจมันน่ะ
เพิ่นคือว่าซีนคักๆว่าเพิ่นว่ากันเนาะมันก็สักคักกันเนาะซีนมันมีมันเนาะ
ถ้ามันบอกแอดเกลือใส่ขับอยู่
Stays better.
Yeah
บ่ได้หูว่าเขาใส่หยังเลยครับ
next time
บอกอ่านมันจะมันใส่ยังไงในอินกิเดียนมัน
แล้วเพิ่นว่าโอ้ซีนนี่ล่ะ
ดี
ค่ะ
แรก
มั
มัน นใส่นะมันดอก
ใส่น้ำผึ้งใส่หยังคักแน่ก็ก็คือว่าสิออกมาคักๆนั่น
หน้า
น่ะ
เกลือมันขาเบิด
แม่
yeah
เสียบ่เสียอยู่
น้ำผึ้งกลายเป็นตอ
กินกับเหล้าขาวเขายังกินบ่ได้นะมันเค็มโพด Okay this is the last one
We have some in the freezer.
กดไลค์กดแชร์กด subscribe
No. The